Need to know how to get rid of fleas on humans? In this video, we'll explore effective methods to eliminate fleas on humans and prevent reinfestation. Fleas are not only a nuisance for pets but can also infest humans, causing discomfort and irritation. These tiny, blood-sucking pests can quickly multiply and spread, making it essential to address the problem promptly. While fleas typically prefer to feed on animals like dogs and cats, they can also bite humans in search of a blood meal. Flea bites on humans often result in red, itchy bumps, and in some cases, allergic reactions. Fleas can hitch a ride into your home on clothing, shoes, or pets, making it crucial to address infestations promptly. How to get rid of fleas on humans? Getting rid of fleas on humans requires a combination of measures to eliminate both the pests and their eggs. Here are some effective methods to consider. One of the first steps in treating flea bites on humans is to shower or bathe thoroughly. Use warm water and a gentle soap to cleanse the skin, paying special attention to areas where fleas may hide, such as the scalp, armpits, and groin. Fleas can lay eggs on clothing, bedding, and other fabric surfaces. To eliminate fleas and their eggs, wash all clothing, bedding, and linens in hot water and detergent. Use the highest temperature setting recommended for the fabric and dry items thoroughly in a hot dryer. Vacuuming is an effective way to remove fleas, eggs, and larvae from carpets, rugs, and upholstery. Vacuum all surfaces thoroughly, paying close attention to areas where pets spend time. Dispose of the vacuum bag or empty the canister outside immediately after vacuuming to prevent fleas from reinfesting your home. If you have pets in your home, they may be the source of the flea infestation. Treat your pets with veterinarian-approved flea control products such as spot-on treatments, oral medications, or flea collars. Follow the instructions carefully and treat all pets in the household to prevent fleas from returning. Over-the-counter anti-itch creams or lotions containing ingredients like hydrocortisone or calamine can help relieve itching and inflammation caused by flea bites. Apply the cream or lotion directly to the affected areas as needed, following the product's instructions. If you prefer natural remedies to treat flea bites on humans, options like aloe vera gel, tea tree oil, or oatmeal baths may provide relief from itching and soothe irritated skin. However, it's essential to use these remedies cautiously and discontinue use if any adverse reactions occur. Dealing with fleas on humans can be uncomfortable, but with the right treatment methods and preventive measures, you can eliminate the pests and prevent reinfestation. If you appreciated this video, please give it a thumbs up and see you in the next video.